Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and today, I'm doing a collab. Yay! So this is our March collab. This is trying new subscription boxes. Oh, you know I love trying new subscription boxes. Y'all, this is the first time I've collabed with some of these ladies, but man, am I so excited to collab with them. I've been wanting to. I joined their group a couple months ago, and I've just really been wanting to do this. I'm so excited to finally get to know some of these ladies. They are so great, and I really hope that you'll go and check out their channels and get to know them as well. They're definitely worth it. And everybody has their own way they make their channel. It's so great. I mean, some people you're going to see food, some people you'll see more makeup, some people you'll see mainly unboxing, some reviews. It's just wonderful. I love getting to know new people. You know this about me. The way we did this one was a little bit different. Instead of sending each other a box of stuff that we pick out ourselves, we subscribed to a subscription box for someone else. Sabrina over at Boxes and Deals collaborates all these, gets these put together for us, and really helps us to all collab. We have 11 channels. I think there's 12 people. And what she did was she picked who we each send to. And of course we do the round robin. And so everybody is going to send to somebody a new subscription box. So this should be fun. And I'm so excited to see what everybody sent. Now, some of the boxes aren't actually subscription boxes as they are like gift boxes. We tried to lean more to subscription, but we also wanted to get stuff we knew that the person would like. And so they sent us a few options of things we might want to try. And then we went from there. Very interesting. The packing order is Lori from Lady Lori, Beauty Over 50, sent to Sherry over at Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. She sent to Noelle over at Hi Noelle. She sent to Kat over at Kat Opens Up. Kat sent to Vanessa at Vanessa's Beauty, Love Your Skin. And Vanessa sent to me, which I'm Unboxing Discovery by G. I sent to Laura over at Food Makeup Skin. Laura sent to Cher over at Single Mom Review. Cher sent to Kat at Kat's Corner of the World. Kat sent to Erica at Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. Erica sent to Rena at Boxes and Deals, and Rena sent over back to Lori. So that's how we sent everything. And we're also going to do a giveaway with this, but it's going to be a little different. Now, some channels may still do individual giveaways, but as a group, we are going to do group giveaways. And there will be 2 winners, and the winner will receive a subscription box. So that will be fun. You will, of course, with every giveaway, there are rules. So here's just a little dip into the rules, and I will write them all below, and just make sure you check all the rules below in case I leave something out. But you must be subscribed to all the channels. You must comment on every video, and every video will have their own secret word. And you use that secret word in a sentence. Try not to make it obvious for everybody. You must be 18 or older, and you must live in the lower 48, US shipping only. Let's see, the giveaway will end on March 31st at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. So I really hope everybody participates in this, and I hope I got all the rules. I hope I got everything right. I don't even know. So I'm just excited. I want to open this box. This is, like I said, a new subscription for me. It's one I have never had graced my doorstep. So I'm really excited about it. But I did go ahead and look some information up for y'all so y'all would know a little bit about it. Vanessa sent me single swag. And I'd seen this, on a few other subscribers' channels. And I thought, oh, that'll be fun. But I'm not single. But you don't have to be single. It's just nice. Ooh. It's hashtag love yourself. Very cute. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the January box because we did, it's not even February yet, I don't think. Yeah, I'm filming early. We put it together early so we could have it all together with shipping being the way it's been. So if there is any hints about the March box, I'll try to pop in pictures or something. But right now we're just going to do the January box of single swag. Now this one, I don't know, I think it's pretty neat. It's like, it says you get full-size products hand selected for fun and fabulous single women each month. You could get organic bath stuff, you can get beauty products, fun and trending fashion accessories, you could get artisan crafted food, any kind of exciting prize. It's just a fun little box. They have like their main box, which is 7 to 8 full-size products each month at a value of over $200 plus, and the box would be $39.99 a month. Now, if you commit to 3, 6, or 12 months, the more you commit to, the more of a discount you're going to get. So if you commit to 12 months, you'll get an $80 discount. If you want to get a smaller box, which is the single swag petite, it's $24.99. And if you commit to 12 months, you'll get a $30 discount. It's 4 to 5 full-size products every month, totaling up to $120 plus. So that gives you a little information about single swag. Now I just want to open this box because, oh my goodness, there could be anything in there. I have not even peeked yet, y'all. See, the tape is still intact. I have been a good girl. I always try not to peek, but sometimes, you know. Okay, here we go. Single swag box. See me side-eye peeking. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. To Gina. Gina, I hope you enjoy your box. So this is the January 2022 full version 1. And here we go. It's telling us what's in here. But let's just look. Oh my goodness. There's food in there, y'all. I'm gonna pull it all out. I don't even know where to start. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is Canyon Moon. Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, can y'all see that? So pretty. Oh, that's nice. What does it say? Vanilla Orchid Candle. This all-natural, slow-burning candle in the decorative tin has a clean and alluring aromatic scent with hints of fresh vanilla and orchid. It's a $22 value. That's what I was getting, was the orchid vanilla. That's very interesting. I like that. All right. The next thing, what's this? Oh, jewelry. Lily Sky. I'm gonna have to take that out of there to be able to tell anything of it. Anyway. All right, look at the cuteness. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see that? So it's 2 bracelets that have strands. Look at that. Look how pretty. And it's got the slide closure, so you can actually put them on without your husband. I love that. How cute. That is just too adorable. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You could wear them together. You could wear them separately. Very cute. This is the Lily Sky Sydney Bracelet Duo. Wow them all with this gold-plated bracelet duo, each with an easy-to-use bolo clasp. The set consists of a 3-layer piece with an inlay dainty beads and a single strand bracelet with geometric charms. Perfect for any occasion, day or night. It is a value of $52. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so cute. Look how tiny my wrists are that I have all this extra hanging out. Very cool. I still love it. All right, this is Mana Kadar. This is the Sea Mineral Facial Toner. Known as one of the natural wonders of the world, the Dead Sea produces 12 minerals that are not found in any other sea or ocean. These ingredients, such as calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, and potassium, are known for their ability to help soothe, cleanse, revitalize and strengthen skin. Apply daily as part of your AM and PM beauty routine for optimal results. The MSRP on this is $28. Ooh, look at it. Pretty. Oh, that's nice. Kind of almost a rose, but not quite. Relax. That's awesome. I love that. Ooh, what's this? This is cherry blossom. For your collection, cherry blossom hand cream. This luxurious hand cream boasting anti-aging, antibacterial, and moisture retaining properties will leave your skin feeling smooth and bursting with vitality. For a deep hydrating experience, massage lotion into your hands and fingers. Pay close attention to the cuticle area. The MSRP on this is $24. Oh, I love hand creams. Oh my goodness, y'all. I need some. I got some on the lid. I squeezed too soon. Oh, yeah. That feels good. Oh, that's nice. Love it, love it. Hannah Sienna Essential Skincare. It's a sugar scrub, exfoliate and moisturize. This silky smooth hydrating scrub will transform your skin while gently moisturizing and exfoliating, removing dry, dead skin cells. Recommended for use in the shower. Rinse off completely. $34. I know I'm not showing it much, but man, this is fun. Just had no idea what would be in the box. Oh, you're so good, aren't you? Oh, that's interesting. It's almost coconutty, but not quite. That's cool. I like that. Ooh, that's nice. All right, where are we at? Let's do the snack. Baked Brothers. What? Okay. Chocolate-filled croissants. Treat yourself to this delicious flaky pastry with a chocolate cream filling surprise on the inside. $4 value. Oh my goodness. Mom's favorite chocolate-filled croissants. We just have to see. We just gotta see. Oh my goodness. Look at y'all. I didn't get you the chocolate. There's the chocolate. That's good. Alright, I eat the rest of it later. But so this is the last item in the single swag. Ooh, let's see what it is. What's that deal? Oh, look at that. And there is a keychain attached to it. Oh, very cute. Cute little wallet. It's got a spot for money and cards. Let's see. This is the Sienna May linen vegan leather card wallet. Produced with durable, scratch-resistant vegan leather, this sleek wallet has a convenient keyring link inside. Additional features include gold tone exterior hardware, a back slip pocket, and 2 credit card and identification slots. It is a $49 value. Very cool. So what do y'all think of single swag? This was fun. I really needed a change purse in my purse because I don't have one. So this is wonderful. Wallet, sugar scrub, lotion, toner, candle, croissant, bracelet. I think that's pretty good. What do y'all think? Is this a box that y'all would want to keep seeing? Oh my goodness, you know me, I want to subscribe to everything and just can't afford it. But yeah, this was pretty cool. This was pretty fun. Thank you so very much, Vanessa. I really appreciate it. Y'all don't forget to follow the chain and go over and see what I sent to Laura over at Food Makeup Skin, and watch all the rest of the videos and see what the other ladies got. You know, what I sent, what everybody else sent. I can't wait to see what everybody else sent. I've been so excited. I was even like, you know, messaging Rena saying, is it a good variety? So I want y'all to go and check it out and see what everybody got. Don't forget to comment their special word on each channel. My special word is gonna be swag, S-W-A-G, because yeah, single swag box. So y'all, I really hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so very much for spending time with me. Thank you so very much for participating in our collab. Don't forget to check out the channel, subscribe to everybody. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.